Hi, I'm Kamini Patel and welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today's recipe is going to be a Pina Colada Cupcake. I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Until then, I'm going to start creaming my butter and sugar. I have half a cup of soft butter and 2/3 cup of castor sugar. To make it a pina colada, I'm going to add half a cup of coconut milk, so at this point, I'm going to add 2 eggs, a teaspoon or 2 of vanilla extract, now I add a teaspoon of baking powder, about 1½ cups of flour. I just want to give this 2 whisks because over whisking can make it a dry cupcake. That's it. And now I add about ½ cup of diced pineapple. This recipe is so versatile. You can use any fresh produce that you have. Mangoes are my personal favorite. So you just whisk that in. And now I'm going to pour it into my cupcake liners. So about 1 ice cream scoop per liner. You want to fill them up only 3/4 level because they will rise a bit. So now I'm going to bake it. I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees and I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes or so until my skewer comes out clean. My cupcakes are ready. I'm just going to let them cool slightly for about 15 minutes before I'm ready to frost them. So I'm going to take them out. And all these really require is a nice frosting of whipped cream, and to garnish, some toasted coconut. So there you have the Pina Colada Cupcakes. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Subscribe to the channel for more recipes of Britannia Dessert Carnival.